Ricky Davao, a beloved Filipino actor, spent his final days surrounded not just by family, but by the three significant women in his life: his ex-wife, his ex-partner, and his current girlfriend. In this emotional and inspiring story, we look at how these women came together in a time of crisis and grief, putting aside differences to support each other and honor Ricky Davao. This is a story of grace, unity, and love beyond labels.
All of you who are here, all of you who have extended their help, hindi dahil sa amin yun, dahil kay Ricky yun, dahil nagpundar siya ng pagmamahal sa inyo. Kaya kayo din, minamahal nyo kami. Dahil yun kay Ricky, and that's a testament of the kind of man that he was. I want to thank you, Malka, Ricky's girlfriend, for taking such good care of Ricky. I want to thank you so much. Thank you from my family to yours. Thank you so much for loving Ricky as you did. Thank you. Alam nyo, nung nasa ospital si Ricky, tatlo po kaming babae na nandoon. Sorry, my kwento. Hindi na ako magalit sa kakiyak. Si Cheryl po, siya yung mommy ni Teddy. Stand up so that she can sing up with three beautiful women in Ricky's life. Si Malka. At ako po. Siyempre, nandun po kaming lahat dahil nasa ospital si Ricky. Yung nagkikwento ko, sabi po ng doktor ni Ricky sa akin, Ma'am, pwede po ba kayong makausap? Ano po problema doon? Kasi sabi ko, nasa ICU na si Ricky. May problema pa ba? Ano may dagdagan pa? Sabi niya, I want to know kasi how I will address you. Tsaka he had this puzzled look on his face. As in talagang parang ano gagawin? Eh, ikaw ka ba? Yeah, sabi ko, well, I'm the wife of Eric. Sino? Yeah, okay. Sino po yung nakarel? I think it was Malka. Yun po yung partner ni Ricky. Eh, yung isa po. Sabi ko, yun po yung nanay nung youngest ni Ricky. Okay po yung tatlo. Sabi ko, obviously, okay kami, di ba? Andiyo ka namin, kaya ito mga kaset. Andiyo namin, magkakasama kaming tatlo, si Aida, si Lorna, at si Fe. Pag kami lang ni Margaret, dalawang Mrs. Real. But kidding aside, I mean, when these things happen, matters like this are not important anymore. I mean, we were all there to take care of Ricky in our own way. I was there not only to check on Ricky, but to make sure that my children were okay because it was very difficult for them. But I'd like to say that the reason why we are all okay is because of the kind of man and person that Ricky was.
Jackie Lou Blanco and Ricky Davao were married in 1989 and separated in 2011. They met in the late 1980s on GMA Super Show. Despite their separation in 2011, they remained good friends and were co-parenting their children. They have 3 children together, Kenneth, Ricky May, and Ara. Not much is known of Cheryl Singson, the second woman in Ricky Davao's life, except that she and Ricky have a daughter together, and that is Justine, or Teddy Davao. Mayeth Malka and Ricky Davao have been together for more than 3 years. They shared a deep bond, and Mayeth expressed her love and gratitude for Ricky's strength and courage during his battle with cancer. Ricky's close friends know how special Mayat Malka was to Ricky. They both loved each other deeply.
Though our time together, Ricky, changed shape over the years, I will always honor the good we shared and the family that we built. Your presence will be missed in the everyday moments, the family gatherings na lagi kang nagpapatawa, the quiet ways you showed how you cared. I'm thankful for the life you helped shape, for the father and grandfather you were, and the memories that we live on in our children and grandchildren. Ricky, rest well knowing how deeply loved you are by all of us. Thank you so much for being the kind of father that you were, and I promise you, like I promised you, na hindi ko pababayaan ang mga anak natin. I will take care of them. We will honor you by sharing kung ano yung tinuro mo sa amin. We will honor you by trying to be excellent in whatever field that we are in, and by being good people just like you are. Say hello to my mom. Tell her I miss her. I love you. I have always loved you, and I will always love you. Thank you so much. Rest in peace. And now, pwede na kayong kumanta ni Mamita. Thank you, Ricky. You lived such a wonderful life. You were able to do everything in excellence. Thank you so much. Can I ask everyone, let's give Ricky a standing ovation for the life.
In a world where fractured families often stay broken, the women in Ricky Davao's life showed us something rare and beautiful. They didn't just come to say goodbye, they came together with grace. That's just admirable.